Land Rover Festival in Germany 2018 versus Arusha, Tanzania 2024. Which one took over and why? We are on the finish line of the record-breaking Land Rover Festival, which just happened in Arusha City, Tanzania. The festival, organized by the Regional Commissioner's Office, was said to be a record-breaking event, assembling the largest parade of Land Rovers ever, surpassing the current Guinness World Record set in Germany 2018. Over 1,000 Land Rovers lined up, creating a motorcade that would not only be a sight to behold but also a testament to the enduring legacy of these rugged vehicles. Let's take a look at the Germany Land Rover Festival in 2018, where 632 trucks wound their way around Bad Kissingen, Bavaria, Germany, under the supervision of officials from the Guinness World Records. The prior record was set in Portugal in 2014 with 516 trucks. The Germany parade stretched over 7.4 kilometers, which was over 4.5 miles long. Every type of Land Rover participated, from the 1940s series, 80s, to a wide range of Defenders and Range Rovers. Over 80% of these vehicles were Defenders. In this case, we see that this event was completely official because Guinness World Records were there to certify it, with the Land Rover Corporate in Germany supporting the effort. The Arusha Land Rover Festival featured vibrant participation from young people, with activities geared towards adventure, exploration, and networking. Youth took part in challenges such as off-road riding, which celebrated the adventurous spirit of the Land Rover community. Many also joined the event to experience Tanzania's tourism appeal, as the festival was designed to promote the region's safari destinations and local culture. With such a dynamic blend of adventure and culture, the festival proved to be a memorable and engaging experience for the young people in attendance. The Arusha Land Rover Festival in Tanzania and the Land Rover event in Germany offer unique experiences that reflect different cultural contexts and focus areas. In contrast, the Germany Land Rover Parade holds the current world record with 632 vehicles covering 7.4 kilometers. The German event focuses more on showcasing the latest off-road technologies and high-end Land Rover models, appealing to a European audience that enjoys overland adventures and vehicle innovations. While the Arusha event embraces Tanzania legacy with older Land Rovers and integrates safari tourism, the German festival offers a more tech-oriented and commercial experience for enthusiasts of modern four-wheel drive vehicles. Hundreds of different articles are published on the web highlighting the more than 1,000 Land Rovers change in about 12 kilometers in Arusha, Tanzania, setting a new world record and going viral on social media. Now, between Land Rover Festival in Germany 2018 or Land Rover Festival in Arusha, Tanzania 2024, which one took over? Leave your comment below to share with us. Don't forget to subscribe to CJ Talks Tech, and if you enjoyed the content, feel free to share with your friends and family. It's your guy CJ, the one and only. I'm out.